The stock market right now reminds me of a flock of birds looking for safety, trying to protect itself from the unknown predators that might be coming to attack it, and flying from one sector to the next to find safety. We see this as we see a pull away from Bitcoin and a movement to silver, a pull away from AI and a movement to consumers and to industrials. The money is moving out of fear right now because they're uncertain. They know that AI is going to change the world, but they don't know that it's going to if it's going to change the world to the extent that the hyperscalers are spending the money. So it's flying in defense. And we as investors need to recognize that. We need to not hear the noise and react to the fear, but instead analyze the financials of the companies that are investing, and is it actually a something that is going to change our world to such magnitude that it justifies a $3, $4, $5 trillion expenditure? Well, I would say, from my point of view, and what it has done for my business and my subscribers, that we have had a portfolio that they're laying off people. Why? Why are they laying off people? Because AI is now doing the work that thousands of people used to be able to do, that used to be able to solve the logistics problem. And now AI can do it better and save them gas and save them time and reduce their employee count to make that company more profitable. Is that a win? Yes, it is, except for the unintended consequences of all the thousands of people that are going to be out of job, and we have to find some form of employment. They need to learn to use AI. Is what I'm doing, if in fact we can perpetuate it and continue to increase our portfolios by 100% in a year, 50% in a year, is that going to put people out of work? You know it is. And in fact, I just received a survey from Goldman Sachs today asking me, am I using AI? How am I using AI? And how, in fact, has it affected the profits and the revenues of my business? These companies are recognizing this change. What is not recognizing the change and validating the change is the money. The other issue you've got is Wall Street is balancing their books. They had a fabulous year last year, but that was last year. That was 2025. This is 2026. So they have to get their books positioned such that they can have another record year. And that's what that flock of birds is. This is Wall Street. This is the investor reacting from fear. A smart investor, an intelligent investor, an investor who invests based on the knowledge at hand, all the data in the world on any company that you're interested in buying, and analyzing and projecting what the price of the future is going to be, is going to win again in 2026, just like we won in 2025. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I admire the movement of the birds. I admire the movement of the money because it creates opportunity. If I know a stock is going to go up based on its need to fill the data centers that are needed by the hyperscalers, I'm going to invest in it when it's down 20%, just like it is today.